Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping in today. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today I wanted to come in and share with you a wee tiny haul. I only have one thing to share with you. I went to the mall today to pick up some jeans and a couple of items from Sephora. Had no intentions of going into the Louis Vuitton store, but you know, I had to pass by it. And ooh, if you've ever been into the Louis Vuitton store, you know that it's just a gorgeous store, you know, from the outside looking in. So it just kind of pulled me in. So let's take a look at what I purchased today. Don't you guys love this bag? And for all of you out there, all of you wonderful ladies out there who kind of scolded me for allowing Watson to chew up my both Gucci and Louis Vuitton boxes and bags, I'm here to tell you, it won't happen this time, okay? I will be keeping this one under lock and key. He's home right now from his play date, but as you can see, my door is closed, okay? I will be putting this box and bag away to keep his little paws off of it, but let's take a look at what we have here, shall we? All right, so this is the gorgeous box. You all are familiar with that, okay? On the inside of the bag is my receipt, okay? That's how it comes. I am sitting in front of a window, so I hope this isn't too bright, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. All right, so here's the box. Once again, so very nicely packaged. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like I said, I will be keeping this box. I will not let it get destroyed. I didn't know also that you could sell these boxes. You guys told me something new. I didn't know people actually were in the market for both Louis Vuitton and I guess I would assume Gucci boxes as well, but I'll be keeping this one. All right, so the box has that little flap there, flips open. Let me see, which side is the better lighting? I think it's this one. I think. All right, you have your tissue paper there. And then when you remove the tissue paper, your dust bag is exposed. And there it is. There it is. There's the pouch. All right, so I have been in the market for some SLGs, small leather goods, and I don't know, I've just been kind of going back and forth with which one I wanted to purchase, whether it be Louis Vuitton or Gucci. And so today I decided to go ahead and go with the Louis Vuitton first, of course. Here we go. And so inside, guys, ta-da, 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 is this little beauty right here. All right, this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Cosmetic Pouch GM size. This is the largest size they had. You guys know that if I purchase a purse, I really prefer to get the larger size. That would be the GM, especially when you're talking about Louis Vuitton. There are some other cases where I will kind of get a smaller bag, but for the most part, I really prefer to get the larger size. I feel that, you know, me being, you know, a bigger chick, the larger kind of looks better on my body type. And also, God forbid, if anything ever happens and I want to sell one of my bags, or, you know, I don't know if you guys can see behind me, or if you saw my closet video, go check that video out. I will leave that link somewhere, either here up in the eye in the sky or down in the description box. I kind of, you know, gave you like a general overview of my purse collection. And so let's say I wanted to trade something out and get something else. I think it would be probably a little bit easier to maybe unload my larger bags. But anyway, said all that to say that I have been in the market for a small leather good. And so today I stopped in Louis Vuitton and picked up this really beautiful, stylish cosmetic pouch. Now, also I shared with you guys a few videos ago that I I had some really pretty, kind of fashionable, fun cosmetic bags that I will be taking with me on my upcoming beach trip. And but I thought this one would be a great addition to my little collection because, again, it is Louis Vuitton. It's a little bit more stylish, obviously, but I feel that this one, unlike the ones that I've shared with you in the past, this one has more of a multifunctional purpose in that I can use it both as a cosmetic pouch and I can use it as a clutch. I can stick it right there under my arms and use this as a clutch. And the reason I say that is because of the inside. Okay, there's that really pretty, beautiful Louis Vuitton leather inside that we have all grown to know and love. Also, though, in here, what I love about this bag is that because it's a pouch, it's like a leather interior, so you're able to kind of, you know, take a damp cloth and maybe wipe out, let's say, some lipstick or something like that. I love that they didn't give it like a cloth or suede type finish. You can absolutely wipe this one out. And so there's a little area here for your lipstick. There's an area here for maybe a, let's say, a foundation compact or something like that. And then, of course, all of this room here. And then you get another compartment over here, okay? But so that is if I wanted to carry the pouch as a, you know, makeup pouch or makeup bag. But now if I chose to, like I said, use it as a as another function, like I said, this is a multifunctional purse. That was or pouch. That was one of the reasons I actually chose this one. There is enough room for, let's say, a wallet and a cell phone and I don't know, just a host of other items. So I decided to go ahead and grab a few items and place them in the pouch to just give you guys a general idea of how many items this pouch can actually hold. I'm actually curious to see that myself. So let's have a look here. Oh, this is just, it's just a really, really cute pouch. All right, so I grabbed my wallet. This is the wallet that I am currently carrying. This is the Josephine wallet in the damier of bean print. So let's see how easily it fits in here. Let's see. Fits in there, no problem. All right, let me do that again. Okay, fits in, no problem, no problem at all. What I would have liked, though, is for the pouch to possibly have maybe zippers on both sides. Okay, so as you see, it just, this particular zipper, it has like a scalloped edge, the zipper does, and it zips all the way across. But no biggie. But again, the wallet fits in here with no problems at all, and this is a pretty good size wallet. I have my phone here. It goes inside, no problem. Okay, I grabbed a little perfume. Gonna place that in here. I'm actually going to put, let's see. Well, I'll put it over on this side. All right, so that's in there. So there's my wallet, phone, a little perfume. I grabbed a little wedge just in case I needed to dab later on. And I think I'll place the wedge in this pocket right here. All right. Okay, so the wedge is there. All right, let's see. I'm sitting here at my desk, my little makeup area. Let's see. Let's grab a lip gloss, shall we? All right, so I have a lip gloss and there's a little compartment here for the lip gloss. I'm going to just stick that in there. Let's see, this one might be too tall. All right, so the lip gloss is a little bit too tall, so let's try a lipstick. Let's see. All right, so I just grabbed a tube of this MAC lipstick and that fits in there perfectly. All right, so, and I still have so much room, guys. There's another big pouch over here if I wanted to place something in that particular pouch, but there's quite a bit of room left here at the top, as you can see. So let's go ahead and zip it and see if there's any, you know, misshapenness to the pouch. Nope, I think it holds the shape pretty good. There's just a little bit here, but nothing to really be concerned about. I think this is just going to be, like I said, perfect as a multifunctional bag, both as a cosmetic bag or just for a nice little evening bag that you can kind of just tuck under your arms and head out to a date night with your husband or a really fun night with your girlfriends. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in for a few minutes and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much also to everyone who tuned in for the closet revamp video, the Property Brother. Thanks you guys so much for all of the wonderful comments. I have said it before and I'll say it again. You guys are some really awesome subscribers, and Eric and I appreciate you guys and thank you so very much. So with that, enjoy the rest of your day and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.